Okay, let's answer this question. Still the same exercise, formative exercise 3.1, okay, page 84, right now number 4. So when I look at the question, I know that I need to apply the same concept, that is integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Okay, so let's apply this concept. Okay, so first of all, let's find out what is f prime x. Let's see, is it the same as this function? Okay, because if f prime x is the same as this function, straight away you can apply this formula. Okay, let's find f prime x first. So from here, so now let's find first derivative of this function. So I labeled it as f prime x because you have fx function right now. So this one, no choices. You can expand this, but I want to use product rule. Okay. So let's differentiate one by one. Okay. So u is 3x and v is 2x plus 1 power of 2. So du dx is 3, dv dx is 2x plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and don't forget to differentiate the function in the bracket, become 2, you have this. Okay, now let's apply, let's use the product rule formula. Okay, f prime x is, copy this side first, 3 and this function. So we'll have this, and then next copy this and this function. So you have this and this function. Okay, u dv dx. Since you have here positive, so we write positive here. Copy the constant first, followed by this term and this bracket. Okay, next step. So I can see here I have the same function. Why not we take out that function? 3 and here is 3. This one by 12, right? So 3 and 12 can take out 3. This bracket and this bracket, take out this bracket. Okay, then let's factorize it. Okay, so now, so for this term you need one more bracket, so let's write 2x plus 1 only, no need to write the bracket power of 1. Settle. Then this side plus, okay, so this one 3 times 4 x become 12x, and this bracket you have it here, no need to write. Okay, so (6x plus 1). Okay, since here got square, so let's expand this. Okay, sampai step sini, I nampak dekat sini ada a, where a is a constant here, right? So why not we expand this first? 6 times 2, 12x squared. 2x times 1, 2x. 1 times 6x is 6x. 1 plus 1. Okay. Okay, now this is your f prime x. Okay, look at this function and this function. Lebih kurang sama, tapi tak sebiji lah. Kenapa? Okay, sebab yang ni dengan yang and this one and this one, right? Almost the same. This function and this function is almost the same. Okay, but here got 3 lah. So let's apply this concept we have learned before. This one, you still remember? Okay, integration of f prime x, the result is fx. If you all use dy by dx notation, the result is y lah, because here y, here y. Okay. Okay. So now, f prime x is 12x squared plus 8x plus 1, right? And the question asks you to integrate 12x squared plus 8x plus 1 dx equals to a fx. Okay, where you understand this is a part of f prime x. So based on this concept, using this concept, integrate this. So based on this concept, if you integrate f prime x, this is your f prime x, with respect to x, the result is fx. Okay, what is your fx? This is your fx. This is your fx. Right? One more time. So if you integrate f prime x with respect to x, the result is fx. So this is your f prime x, this one, and this is your fx. This is from the question. Okay. So now, okay, but the question asks you to integrate this part, right? So using this function, okay, using this, how to make it like this? So this one is apa yang you ada. Okay, now the question asks you to integrate this. Okay, but you have this. You have this. Now the question asks you to integrate this, right? Okay, so nak bagi faham, okay, kita buat perumpamaan macam ni lah. Ini yang soalan tanya. Question asks you integrate 4 apple, but you have 12 apple, right? So how to make 12 apple, okay, become 4 apple? So of course we need to times 1/3. Then you will get like this. 1/3 times 12 is 4 apple, right? So dalam kes ni pun samalah. Sekarang you ada ni. Macam mana nak bagi jadi macam ni? Okay, so you need to times 1/3. Okay, 3 and 3 cancel, become like this. Why? Kenapa kita nak kena buat proses ni? Sebab kita faham this is our f prime x. If we integrate f prime x, the result is fx. Right? If we integrate f prime x, the result is fx. So that we can apply it here. Okay? So integration of f prime x, the result is f. Integration of f prime x, the result is fx. Okay? So we can cancel, then we get this. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay? Once again, using this, how to make it like this? Okay, let's say kalau you ada, let's say lah, kalau you ada kat sini, let's say 4 apple. Right, here you have 4 apple, and then here you have 12 apple. Okay, okay, once again, you can see now. Ni nak bagi faham lah. Okay, sekarang you ada 4 apple. Okay, ini soalan tanya. Soalan, the question asks you to integrate this, but you have this 12 apple. Okay, how to make it like this? Okay, using this function, using 12 apple, how to make it 4 apple? Using 12 apple, how to make it 4 apple? Of course, you need to times this function, you need to times 1 over 3. Right? You need to times 1 over 3. So after you times 1 over 3, this one become 4 what? So now it's the same like this. Okay? Right. So now here we have this one and this one is the same. So but now we want to make it the same like this, right? Because this is a question. Okay, this is the question. The question asks you this, but you have this, right? So how to modify this become like soalan minta apa? Ini yang you ada, macam mana nak bagi jadi macam apa yang soalan minta? Of course, you need to times 1 over 3 times this, right or not? 1 over 3 times this function. Right? So then, after you simplify this, now, okay, you dapat balik benda ni. Okay, after you simplify this, you get back this one. Right or not? And this one is equals to AFX. Based on the question. Okay, based on the question, this one, okay, is equals to this. And you understand integration of this. This is what? This is your dy by dx. This is your f prime x, right? This one. This is your f prime x. Since integration of f prime x, the result is fx, right? So, actually here, okay, you can write 1 over 3. This one is your f prime x. Okay, and AFX, right? So now, okay, integration of f prime x, the result is fx. Okay, so this one and this one can cancel, so A become 1 over 3, done.